Oh, Daredevil see. Right. One more. One more. See these idiots. Guys, have some shame, dude. So hello and welcome to the new episode of Saurabh Monologuing. भाई क्या morning motivation? It's a reminder for me to fill up the tank because I'm running short of petrol. Oh, this is a cool bucket cap ever. मतलब you just need to take it and leave the home. That's it. Nothing. Simple, easy solution for the one who forget the helmet. It's a go-to. Traveler, traveler, na na na, traveler. Finally, he was not letting me to go, and it was big, so it would have took time for me. This was just a close call. How to reach early in the office? Just overtake these small trailers. Not to speed, not to overspeed, never overspeed in the city. Highways also, it's recommendable if you are aware of and all your senses are working, because sometimes you do overtake but the other guy in the other lane has no clue about what you are doing, and all that shit happens. So it's better to avoid. Your one mistake can ruin your life forever.
अच्छा हमको सिखा.
So what are they doing here? So nice, they have made jugaad. Everyone is trying to make a jugaad in his life. Didi, don't prove yourself wrong. Zest never proves herself. Didi, come on. Nice. She has made her crowd proud.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
So today I'll fill the petrol. Yeah guys. Finally, the day has arrived.
बात तो सही है. दौड़ा.
Full tank का आदत हो गया ना. I've been used to the full tank and I never seen my bike this light. Seriously, to be honest, because it's so heavy after the tank is full, and this is like so super light now. I can like do anything. But the one who doesn't likes heavy bikes na, they can like fill the petrol or half or like how much they needed, but every time they need to go to the petrol pump and do this things. Why the heck is always there's a crowd over here? Always some people are doing the shit in this place. They can't find some other place to do that shit. Something every day there's a people. Oh, they are going for the duty. Vasuli bhais. Dude, Vasuli bhai. वसूली भाई 500 कम पड़ रहा है, चलो पकड़ते इसको. This kind of attitude they are having, literally. I'm not kidding, guys. Not every money goes to government. Everyone is knowing this, and they always argue, if you ask them to scan the fine, click a picture and just post the fine online. They will argue with you. So very good friend of mine and me were going somewhere Vashi or something. So once what happened, these cops, they stopped him at toll naka, and he was asked to there was some helmet or the dual helmet scene. His pillion was not having a helmet, so he was asked to stop. But then suddenly he told he is getting late and is very late. Genuinely, he was late. So he asked them to just to click a picture of the number plate and post the fine. Whatever, he will pay it later. So no, they were arguing with him for a couple of hours. They just wanted a bribe, guys, 200 or 300 rupees, because the fine is 700 or whatever. He was ready to pay the fine. He said just let me go. So this kind of situation is there in India. Even the guy is asking them to post the fine, they still wanted to argue with him and do a settlement. HR बन रहे guys, HR. नेगोशिएट करना है उनको, जबकि सामने वाला पूरा रेडी है पे करने को, फिर भी उनको HR बनना ही है. So there's a lot of variant in electric bikes, electric scooties to be precise. Chalo, finally signal has turned green, so let's not waste time and get to the track. Wait. My brothers are waiting for their first check. They must have started the बोनी किया है वो लोग ने, बोनी कपूर. अभी आगे जाके वो लोग ढूंढेंगे. और cops are literally selfish guys, selfish, pure selfish. Once that cop asked me to chase the truck because I couldn't stop them. I don't know when these patches are going to get repaired. Now again after 4 months it will start raining, but these roads are, what to say, just chill. See how pathetic the road condition has become. And this is by the way the toll naka. Airoli, the one which gets connected from Mulund to Airoli, this is a highway, and this is the road condition of this, which the cars are probably paying 60 or 70 rupees toll. I don't know the exact amount, but this is the reality of the roads. I-20 ज़्यादा भगाएंगे नहीं तो एवरेज डाउन हो जाएगा. To be honest, I'm not used to riding 30 to 40 in empty roads. What kind of time you will waste here? Nothing. See. जाओ भाई. My boy has to pay 750 rupees if he gets caught. He was just a college kid. पापा ने स्कूटी तो दे दी पर हेलमेट नहीं दिया यार दोस्तों. वो Daredevil see, right? Oh, it's a stop and still he has just see one more. It's a green signal, a red signal for him. See, auntie. This is how they follow signals.
अरे तुम्हारी खोपड़ी में भेजा है कि भजिया?
By looking at their signal, I stopped looking mine. I was unaware totally. When you start honking, it was like suddenly it was 80 to 90 and how it has became. English है सब जानते हैं English है. Just leave some lane for the bikers. Now there's a khadda over here, big khadda. Oh, they have filled it, guys. Seriously. Thankfully, they have filled it. There's a Mukabra, that bag, right? Wait. Why is everyone riding through the footpath? See these idiots. Guys, have some shame, dude. The road is empty and there's no traffic, little bit traffic, just like have some shame. Going to the footpath is not the solution. Idiots. Satish is a Superman, right? Satish has a symbol of Superman on his bike. So maybe he doesn't want to disclose it to everyone, so he has just reduced the transparency of that symbol so that not everyone. No words for these idiots. FNP. Wait. Hey, I thought he wanted to go left. Superman, come on. He doesn't knew you are a Superman. Or he would have gave you a way to go. Satish, come on. So, round of applause for Satish the Superman. And we won't tell this to anybody. You are a Superman. Just by your riding skills, you will be famous. वेट वेट. अरे भाई स्विगी पकड़ा तो तेरा तो नुकसान है. हाँ बड़ी, if you get caught, you need to pay that fine, which is like for what you are earning. See. Still they wanted to come. I'll just go by this. This is a new route. Oh, that's a nice hotel. Mumbai Palace. Cool. सब जानते हैं इंग्लिश है.
So please whatever. I want to reach 1 million.